issues.
Get ready, because your view of this common plant might completely change. Okay, so let's get into it. For ages, like millennia, basil wasn't just for flavor. It was huge in ancient medicine, like Ayurveda.
Yeah, think about it. They were using it for fevers, digestive problems, even anxiety, just based on observation, trial, and error.
They knew it had these broad benefits.
And what's really fascinating now is seeing modern science step in. It's not just saying, oh yeah, that works. It's showing how. We're talking about incredibly precise mechanisms, especially from research just in the last couple of years, post-2022. It's like ancient wisdom meeting, super modern lab work.
It's pretty amazing. Imagine just a common garden herb actually helping your brain function better. Recent studies are showing basil extracts don't just give a general memory boost. No, they seem to directly tweak the expression of specific genes involved in thinking and memory.
Gene expression modulation, right? So it's influencing how key genes are switched on or off. Genes like NA7, M1, NNOS, HTR3A.
Which basically means basil is interacting directly with the machinery behind learning and memory. That's not just some vague brain tonic, it's specific. That's a huge step.
It really is. And it makes you wonder, okay, can this ancient stuff tackle today's infectious diseases? And increasingly, the answer seems to be yes. Findings since 2022 show basil has targeted antiviral action against threats like Japanese encephalitis virus, JEV.
That's a serious neurological virus.
Absolutely. And compounds in basil, like chicoric acid, show real potency there. And get this, there's also new research on its effect against Toxoplasma gondii.
The parasite you can get from like cat litter or undercooked meat.
That's the one. And what's really compelling is synergy. Basil compounds combined with standard drugs like spiromycin. They work better together, more effective than either one alone.
Wow. Okay. And it doesn't stop there, does it? What about cancer?
Right. New studies are showing what's called selective cytotoxicity, specifically against oral and cervical cancer cells.
Selective cytotoxicity, meaning it targets the cancer cell.
Exactly. It goes after the cancer cells, but seems to spare the healthy ones nearby. That's a major goal in oncology, finding treatments without so much collateral damage.
Huge. And connecting this maybe to metabolic health?
Oh, definitely. This is potentially groundbreaking. Evidence suggests basil might help regenerate pancreatic islets.
The cells that make insulin.
The very ones.
Huh?
And it also seems to directly influence key proteins involved in how insulin signals in the body.
That could be transformative for something like type 2 diabetes. Not just managing it, but maybe addressing the root cause.
It opens up that possibility, yes. Really makes you think about the long-term implications.
So bringing this all together, what's the takeaway for you listening? It seems pretty clear, basil. And its active compounds, rosmarinic acid, chicoric acid, linalool, eugenol.
Those key players.
They aren't just doing one thing. They seem to be multi-target agents. They hit various points in the complex processes behind chronic diseases like inflammation and oxidative stress.
Which are often linked, right? And this multi-target idea is important.
Yeah, and its potential as an adjuvant therapy seems really significant too, using it alongside conventional drugs to maybe boost effectiveness or lessen side effects.
Definitely a key takeaway.